Where's your cheerleader? Where's the cheerleader? She's a snow eater. Kita is a snow eater. Don't throw snow at me. I got the camera. Where's Mommy? Where's Memmy? Downstairs? She likes the snow now. Hi, Lay.
I found a key.
Found a key? Oh, an icicle?
You want to go down the first snow ever?
Do a snow angel for me.
Okay, my nose. Ew, snowball. Let's do a snowball fight.
No, no, don't throw a snowball at me. My camera will die.
Annie.
Get her, Al. Whoa, you're a good thrower.
Mama.
No, don't throw it at me. I got a camera. Go closer to each other. It's a Blizzard snowball fight.
Allie, wanna do that? You wanna make snow angels? Allie, comfy.
Allie, snowballer.
Yay! A blizzard. Allie, you wanna go down our slide? Our little slide.
Okay, so this is where we're at now. How much these snowdrifts are crazy. Where's Kita? Where's Mommy? Oh my gosh, you going down the slide? Go ahead.
Yeah.
Go down the slide, then have a snowball fight. Oh, I can't make it. Go. Go, Lena. Put your legs up. Put your legs up. Didn't work? Get her. Get her. Okay, Mom. Get her. Get her. Get her. Oh!
Wait, stop! Cut!
Cut!
That's
Your hands are freezing? Well, don't take them out of the gloves! Lena, that's not better in there. Get her. Annie! Annie! Get her.
Could you take these?
Get her.
That's Kyla!
The twin fight is over? The twin snow fight is over?
Yes!
She won't get you.
I can't leave.
gloves on now.
I feel like that slide.
It's alright. Come on, Leigh.
I said
Come on, Leigh.
can't get out.
What do you mean you can't get out? Leigh, hold on.